Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Gelish Nail LED on the market, the Gelish 18G Classic LED light. If you're someone who loves professional quality nails at home or runs a salon and wants a reliable, fast, and efficient curing lamp, this might just be the device you've been waiting for. The Gelish 18G Classic LED light packs a powerful 36 watts of curing power into a compact, ergonomic design that's both user-friendly and versatile. Its dimensions of roughly 9.8 inches wide, 8.9 inches deep, and 5.9 inches high make it large enough to accommodate an entire hand or foot. So you can cure 5 nails at once without having to worry about separate curing for thumbs. This saves you valuable time whether you're doing a quick polish refresh or a full set. One of the standout features of this lamp is its 18 dual-watt LED bulbs combined with high-intensity diamond reflectors. This combination ensures that the light covers the entire nail bed evenly and cures your gel polish faster than many other lamps. Foundation gels cure in as little as 5 seconds, while gel polish itself is ready in about 30 seconds. That's a huge time saver when you're doing multiple clients or want to speed up your personal routine. Safety and comfort are important, and Gelish hasn't overlooked this. The lamp comes with a protective eye shield that softens the powerful LED light, which helps reduce eye strain during long sessions. So, whether you're using this lamp all day in a salon or just for your home manicures, your eyes will thank you. Another great aspect is the lamp's motion sensor. This feature automatically turns the light on as soon as you place your hand inside and turns off when you remove it. It makes operation effortless and keeps things hygienic since you don't have to touch any buttons during use. The durability of the LED bulbs is impressive as well, with an estimated lifespan of 50,000 hours. This means you won't need to worry about replacing bulbs, which is a nice long-term cost saver and convenience boost. The design itself is sleek and professional looking, with a silver and white plastic shade that fits well in any salon environment or at home. It also weighs about 2 pounds, so it's portable enough to move around or take with you if needed. Additionally, the lamp is pedicure friendly thanks to its wide opening, making it an all-in-one solution for nail care. When it comes to the curing process, Gelish provides a step-by-step recommended routine. First, clean and prep your nails properly with the recommended tools and solutions. Then apply a base gel, cure it under the 18G LED light for 5 seconds, followed by your gel polish coats cured for 30 seconds each. Finish with a sealer gel and a final 30-second cure to lock everything in place. The result is a durable, shiny finish that can last for weeks. To sum it up, the Gelish 18G Classic LED light stands out because of its fast curing times, even light coverage. Ergonomic and stylish design, long-lasting bulbs, and ease of use with motion sensors and protective features. It's a perfect blend of professional quality and user-friendly design, ideal for anyone serious about their gel nails. If you want a reliable lamp that offers salon-level performance right at home or in your salon, this Gelish 18G Classic LED light is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.